Today we are going to understand something very important in AWS. The difference between the root account and the admin user and which one you should actually use. There are two type of account in AWS. One is the root account and the other one is the admin user or the IAM user. And trust me, one wrong login can destroy everything in your AWS account. So if you are a beginner, there is something you must understand from the day one. Let's understand the difference with a very simple example. Think of root account as the owner, the person who created the AWS account, who has full control over it. Think of admin user like a manager, someone who is given access to handle daily work. Both are powerful, but they are not the same. Now you might be thinking, why does this even matter? If you use the wrong account, it can affect your security, your money, and your daily work. For example, if you use root account everywhere, your system becomes risky. And why? Because root account has full control over the billing. So even a small mistake can cost you a lot of money. Now let's understand what exactly a root account is. When you sign up on AWS, a root account is created automatically. You log into AWS account using email and password. That is the root account. And this account is very special because it has full control over everything in AWS. Couple of points you need to remember. There is only one root account. And one of the important thing is you cannot restrict it. No matter what you do, it always have 100% access. It can create, delete or change anything in your AWS account. In more simpler word, think of like a house. Root account is the owner of the house. Owner can sell it, destroy it and change anything. Now what is the admin user? Admin user is like a manager. They can handle the daily work. They are powerful, but owner can remove them anytime. So in simple word, owner has full control, admin account handle daily work. And if we compare the access, root account has unlimited access. There is no restrictions at all. Admin user also have unlimited access, but it is controlled using permissions. So in simple word, root account is unlimited access, admin account is kind of controlled with the permissions. If someone get access to your root account, it basically means game over. They can delete everything, change your billing, lockout, and even AWS is not able to recover the things. And that is why AWS always recommend do not use the root account for your daily work. Use the admin account instead. Admin account is much safer. You can control it, you can disable it, and you can recover the things easily. So basically, if your root account is hacked, you lose everything. There is no easy recovery. That is why protecting your root account is extremely important. Root account has full control over the billing. It can see the invoices, change the payment method, and even close the account. Admin user does not have the billing access by default. You have to enable it manually. There are certain steps which you need to follow so that you can give billing access to a admin user. And if you want a step-by-step video on that, just let me know in the comment section and I will create one video for that. So always remember, root account is very powerful, but it is also very risky. Now the most important question, which account you should use daily? Answer is very simple. Never use root account for your daily work. And that is something recommended by the AWS as well. If you go and read the AWS best practices, they always recommend you to create a IAM user. It is safe, trackable, and controllable. So IAM user is something which you need to use on daily basis. You can create services, manage infrastructure, and do everything. And the best part, everything is logged. So if something goes wrong, you can easily track that. So root account is the owner of full power, admin user is the manager control power. Always protect your root account. Enable MFA. Now in real project, root account is only one and it should never be shared. But IAM users are made for teams. You can create multiple users, give different access to different people. Like developers, you can give the read access. For the tester, you can give limited access to the test environment. For the finance person, you can give only access to download the invoices like this. Let's quickly summarize. Root account is the owner, full power. Admin user is the manager, control power. And one of the important point is always protect your root account. Enable MFA, which is very important, multi-factor authentication. Use admin account for your daily work. And believe me, if you follow this, you are already ahead of most beginners. If you found this video helpful, follow, subscribe for more simple AWS and DevOps content. In the next video, we will see how to secure your root account and create your first admin user step by step. Thank you.